Suturing the abdominal wall is an essential closing part of abdominal surgery. Classical standard suturing technique can lead to insufficient healing of the closed abdominal wall. This leads to a defect in the wall, where a postoperative hernia occurs in 10 to 40% of surgeries. Big bite suturing can cause severe complications, which leads to poor quality of life and high healthcare costs for resurgery. Recent studies show that small bite suturing significantly reduces these complications. Therefore, the European Hernia Society recommends the small bites technique for all abdominal surgeries. At Mellon Medical, we have invented a new suturing instrument that enables the new small bites suturing technique. It features a unique straight needle system, can be used in one hand comfortably and intuitively with pencil-like precision. With the speed and use of the switch, it is expected that applying the small bites technique will not lead to additional suturing time. Our device enables the small bite suturing, decreasing the risk of hernias. It features accuracy, speed, small bites precision, short learning curve, and ease of use. The Mellon Switch, the choice for small bites suturing worldwide.